people, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a little roundabout around this place called Mary Stevens Park. I hope you enjoy. Following the TikTok, you may have seen a video of me in an abandoned building. This is that building over here. Hold up a second. It's the building right here. It's a bit boarded off, but this is actually an old pharmacy that has been abandoned for about a good 16 years. Everything inside completely rotten. Need to watch your step if you go in there, people. Actually fell through the floor. Luckily it wasn't deep, it was only to about the knees, but still could have been, you know what I mean, could have been worse. Anyways, I'm not so waffling. Let you enjoy the ride. Doing better than my bike right now, but like struggling. But we got extra weight on me. I've got another battery in my bag, so I can see people. Stourbridge. It's a pretty close, it's a pretty quiet place. You don't see many people around here. I mean, on that second place, you might see around here. You got that, and obviously front brake.
Didn't have one at all.
Yeah, first.
Oh,
This only goes like 24, you know. Literally going about recording. No clips on that. Oh shit, they got there. What the fuck? It's alright, thank you. But you always got to make sure that you're looking about the place, because even then, like, you know what I mean, you don't want to go into an innocent kid and at the end of the day you might get charged with something that you didn't want to do. Bit of a bookstore there, people. Yeah, like I was saying, just keep aware of your surroundings. You should be aware, okay? People, I'm going to take you to this little place down here. It's actually quite nice. So people, this is Iverley Park. This is one of the places that I wanted to take you to, and may I say, it never seems to disappoint. Over there, you have horses and fields. Over here, you got a place to take your dogs. If you've got any dogs that you like taking, or want to take to a dog event, a nice little play area, I would say this area. Look at the field, nice little bit of space to run about with your dog. And yeah, you know what I mean, nice little bit of training. Anyways, I'm gonna leave you to it, people, and I spoke it up, you know what I mean.